To set your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to only block high-risk scam calls, open Phone app, tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap Setting. Next, tap the gray on-off switch next to Caller ID and Spam Protection until the switch turns green to turn it on. Tap Caller ID and Spam Protection. Next, tap the gray on-off switch next to Block Spam and Scam Calls until the switch turns green to turn it on. And then select Only Block High-Risk Scam Calls. With this setting, now your phone will block only calls identified as high-risk scam while still allowing most unknown calls to come through. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.